Hey everyone, welcome to 2K tutorials. Let's solve these two sums. Solve for x over 2 is equal to 3, then you have 2 multiplied by 2 both sides, then you have 2 multiplied by x over 2 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2, then 2 will divide 2, then you have x is equal to 6. Then on the second sum we will have to cross multiply. Then now we have 2 over 3 is equal to 4 over x, then we have 2 multiplied by x, which is equal to 3 times 4. Then we will have 2x is equal to 12. Then we'll have to divide by 2 on both sides, because what we do on the left hand side we have to do it again on the right hand side. Then we have x is equal to 6. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.